Hello everybody and welcome back to another random facts video. I've got a new setup with with a green screen that currently has nothing on the green screen because I just don't have a regular image that I would like to use for this kind of video. But today we're going to be doing something quite fun. We're going to be opening up like on this side, which is a Pokemon Academy set that I got a long time ago. It's still sealed. I picked it up, God, last year, and yeah, I picked it up last year, and I haven't got around to opening it. So we're going to open it today. It still has a warning sticker on it, and says easy to learn and fun to play. I don't know about the easy to learn part, and I'm not sure if it's going to be fun, especially considering it's me, just me. I've got no one else to play this with me. So yeah, we're going to open that up today and have a look and see what's in it, and yeah, see what it's all about. Yeah, I can also, helpful, I can show the back. I hope the glare, God, you can see the glare. You can see the glare from one of my panel lights. But yeah, we're gonna open this up and hopefully see what's inside of it. Yeah, so without further ado, I'm gonna swap to a camera that's better for recording opening boxes rather than face. And yeah, so we have the box. It's got some lovely box art with multiple Pokemon on it. Once again, it has that warning sticker on it, just giving you a little warning. It also says down the bottom, once again, that you can see now, it says easy to learn and fun to play. I have no idea if that will be true, but let's get this thing opened up. Okay, when we first open it up, we've got what I think is the game board, big black piece. This thing is so big that I can't actually get it in frame, and you can see me struggling to maneuver it to get it away from my camera stand because it is so big and bulky that it's just getting in the way. We've got some information, and we've also got of course we have different things in here. Once this is out the way, we have 3 manuals. We have one that is for deck 1, we have a manual we have 3 different manuals. That's a lot of reading. I wouldn't exactly call that fun. We also have a counter, which you can't really see on camera because it's very bright. We also have the classic sort of counter things that I've received in battle packs before. Those little tokens that you pop out of the cardboard, we've got those. Now we have 3 decks of cards. We've got the first deck, which is deck 1 or player 1, which is kind of cool, which appears to be potentially a fire type deck. Not entirely sure, but kind of cool. And of course it has a ton of cards in it. Some of these I'd imagine will be doubles. In fact, I'm seeing cards that I have received before in this deck. Moving on. We have deck 2, which looks to be a Pikachu, so thunder or lightning. Thunder deck, I'd imagine, because yeah, I don't know. Either way, it is the Pikachu deck. We get a lovely Pikachu card, plus of course a bunch of doubles as well, cards that I've seen before. And finally we have an advanced deck, which again most likely will have cards that you can get in the regular packs, but I do think having them in these separate decks is going to be a lot more fun and easy. However, I don't know about the reading being fun. So finally I will get the game board hopefully in frame. There we go, it's massive. It's got basically the game board is split in 2. You have the same on one side as it is the other, and the writing is adjusted, so it doesn't matter what side of the board you're sitting at, you will still be able to read all the information on that. We have the rule book as well, so we have the 3 manuals, one for the first deck, one for the second deck, and of course we have the advanced or the rules. If you guys enjoyed this video of me opening up this Pokemon Academy thing, let me know in the comments what else you would like to see me do, whether it's doing quizzes or playing games or whatever you guys would like me to do in the future. I really have to look into sorting out my mic stand because it's annoying. It gets in my way and keeps me far away from my monitors. Way too far from my monitors to be clicking correctly. Yeah, but if you enjoyed this video, consider checking out the link in the description for Strathcarron Hospice. They are a wonderful charity that provide palliative care, so end of life care, and they do a brand new thing known as eBay Live. So if you haven't seen it, eBay now offers a live streamed auctions, and doing those every couple of days during the week. They're doing them on a Sunday as well as some other days of the week. Check out the link in the description to go and have a look at their eBay. You might find something you like, or it's just a wonderful way to spread being charitable. But thank you guys for watching this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.